Hey folks, this is Long Ball Cards. Tonight we're going to look at our latest Great Lakes Breaks Collector's Box. This is an affordable subscription box, less than $30 a month. You get a few packs in there and a bunch of singles. So let's rip into this and see what we get. If you are new to our channel, also check out our subscription box, and we also post breaks at longballbox.com. December's box is shaping up very well. That will be available on the 26th on our website. But let's check out Great Lakes Breaks Collector's Box, GLBbreaks.com for this box. Again, less than $30. Just really great. They also have a really cool YouTube channel. I'll post the link to that on this video. So here we go. We've got some packs in here. There's Topps Chrome. And we got a whole bunch of singles. We'll start with the singles and the hits here, and then we'll move to the packs. So just have a look at this. We got a rookie here of Reeds. Lots of different Chrome cards and parallels. There's a Jonathan Hernandez rookie. Tim Anderson. There's a gold foil of Herrera. That's a nice one. So you get a nice variety of cards. Get some good rookies. Some things you don't see every day. Leather and Lumber. Castellanos. Corbin Burns. What else do we have in here? Something thick right there. There's a relic, I think, from a blaster. Benintendi, Cedric Mullins. There it is, right there. That is a Tyler O'Neill bat helmet fake relic. That's cool. Bob Feller, Jake Arrieta, 2018 Rookie Stars. There's an Orioles Camden Yards right there. Patrick Wisdom rookie. That's a good one. Put that up here. Wisdom rookie. What else do we have in here? Some Topps Fire. Miranda rookie. There's a Bowman Chrome first of Rafaela. There is still more cards in here. There is a refractor of Max Kepler. Edward Cabrera rookie. Nate Pearson Rookie of the Year favorites. It's a nice card. Anthony Rizzo. Kevin Biggio. Schwarber. Dave Roberts. The famous steal by Dave Roberts in the ALCS in 2004. Lex Rios. Well, check that out, an Upper Deck card. What year is that? 2008. And that's a museum collection right there. Or wait, no, I'm sorry. That's just M for Milwaukee. It looks like a museum collection. It's another Upper Deck card. What year is that? 2009. You know it's old when it says Upper Deck and it's a baseball card and it has the logos on it. So that's 2009 Upper Deck. That's pretty cool. A little blast from the past. It goes in line with our Blast from the Past Blaster series that we also do on this channel. Speaking of, we have one coming up. I think it's 2018's Top Stadium Club, I think is what we have lined up. So that should be fun. There is a Kyle Bradish rookie for the Orioles. Is that? Oh, there's just a few more hanging out in here. What do we got? Gary Carter. All right. And we've got these hits. Also, they put some supplies in here, which is kind of nice. They throw a bunch of sleeves and top loaders in there, which is pretty awesome. Again, for the price, a lot of fun, especially for a young collector. My son gets his own of this box every month, and we've got a Drew Romo, Ed Howard. So there we are with that, and now let's check out these packs. What we got here? Got Chrome, and that's Hobby. That's a Heritage High Number 2001 Hobby, and a 2022 Pro Debut Hobby. So let's start with that one. 2022 Pro Debut. There's 4 autographs in a box of these, so that ends up being 1 out of 6 packs has an autograph. You can also get some parallels and things in these. So let's see what we get. Roberto Campos, Ortega, Cuero, Jeter Downs, Noah Miller, and Matos. All right, Heritage High Number 2001. Let's see if I missed something. Trump, Mickey Moniak rookie. That's a good one. Paredes rookie. Kevin Biggio. Randy Arozarena, Hooper, and Buster Posey. I think these, it'll say right here on the top if it is some kind of parallel. We'll see that. Did get a couple good rookies there, though. Throw them up here for now. And our last pack. Again, we have a subscription box of our own. Check that out. Longballbox.com. We've got December coming up. Lars Nootbaar, rookie card. Winker, Gavin Sheets. That's a rookie. Kranick, rookie. And Justin Turner. So, a few good rookies in there. Well, that does it for our Great Lakes Breaks box. Check them out again. It is at glbbreaks.com. And thanks for watching us. We'll catch you next time.